Hi, my name is Steve Gower, and welcome to Gower Hour Nutrition. Here's my question for today. Are your skincare products killing you? Did you know that according to the Environmental Working Group, that's abbreviated EWG, that the average person is exposed to 85 to 168 different chemicals daily? Did you know that according to the EWG, that cosmetics alone contain about 13,000 chemicals in which only 10% have been verified as safe? That means there's about 11,700 chemicals in cosmetics that have not been tested in a laboratory to determine as safe to the human body. Other research shows that 95% of chemicals in fragrances are synthetic and derived from petroleum. For most of us, when we think about healthy lifestyle, we automatically think of sleep, diet, supplementation, and exercise. Skincare? Usually it doesn't make the list, but maybe it should. Did you know that the skin is actually the largest organ in the human body? Shouldn't it be something we take care of? Here's a little biology. Our skin is actively refreshing and renewing itself every day. We actually shed about 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells every day. That means the skin you see now won't be there in about a month. It's replaced. Also, what we put on our skin will enter our body, whether it's good or bad. And that's why skincare is so important and why a holistic approach to a healthy lifestyle also needs to address our skincare needs. Admit it, it's hard to judge what's hype and what's reality in the world of skincare. So many companies boast of finding the latest exotic miracle ingredient, only later to find out that it wasn't all that miraculous. So let's test your knowledge of skincare. For each of the following questions, I want you to answer fact or fiction. Question 1. Fact or fiction? Skin aging is determined by genetics. Mostly fiction. Some scientists estimate that only 10% of a skin aging is actually based on DNA and gene expression. That means 90% of skin aging is determined by external factors. More in control. Fact or fiction? Diet has nothing to do with skin aging. Fiction. A good rule of thumb to follow is if it's bad for your waist, it's bad for your face. Diet and nutrition play a huge role in the rate at which we age. A diet rich in protective phytonutrients, like those found in colorful fruits and vegetables, has even been shown to increase the skin's natural defenses against sun damage and aging. Fact or fiction? Skin aging is a reflection of our overall health. Fact. The health of our skin is often a reflection of your overall health, or lack of. An obvious example of this is jaundice. When the liver isn't functioning properly, the skin can turn yellow. But even acne and wrinkles can be linked to inadequate skincare, smoking, poor diet, and nutrition. Fact or fiction? Once the sign of aging appears, it's too late to change. Fiction. Adopting a daily skincare routine with products that moisturize the skin and restore the skin's natural barrier can help reverse at least some of the visible signs of aging. It is clear that it's important to lead a balanced, healthy lifestyle with a good diet, plenty of relaxation, and sleep to complement the effort spent on a good skincare routine. Fact or fiction? Scrubbing your face will keep your blackheads and pimple free. Fiction. Blackheads and pimples are caused by clogged pores. Excessive scrubbing can remove protective oils and cause micro tears that may lead to irritated skin. A daily gentle cleanser is a better alternative for most people. Fact or fiction? Skin aging and damage can be reversed quickly. Well, both fact and fiction. On one hand, skin aging and damage don't happen overnight, so they can't be reversed overnight. However, implementing a skincare routine that addresses the underlying causes of aging and damage can make a remarkable difference. but stick with it. It typically takes 27 days for the skin to regenerate itself, and also you need about 2 or 3 cycles of regeneration for your best results. See, the outer layer of our skin, the epidermis, is a protective barrier protecting our body. So maintaining the function of this protective barrier, our skin, the epidermis, is the key to young and healthier looking skin. So I want to talk about 3 aspects of a healthier skin barrier. 1 is the skin's protective acid mantle. 2, the outer layer of the epidermis called the horny layer. And number 3, the active cell renewal. The skin's protective acid mantle. This acid mantle is an invisible film that sits on the surface of your skin. And if you ever wash your face with a harsh soap and your skin actually feels tight, it's tight because you've actually stripped off that acid mantle. See, pH is an acid-base ratio. For an acid, you could think of something like vinegar, hydrochloric acid, like your stomach acid. You have, for a base, you can think of bleach or even ammonia. The skin's pH is about 4.5 to 5. And to maintain this pH is very, very important for your skincare. Unhealthy diet and lifestyle can also throw off your pH. See, if your pH gets thrown off, pathogenesis of skin diseases can happen, such as eczema. And around eczema, you'll find a high pH. Also, this pH, our skin needs a healthy balance of bacteria in order to function properly, and these bacteria need the lower pH to actually function best. See, our skin health actually depends on maintaining this unique ecosystem of microbes, which play a critical role in maintaining our skin barrier. Number 2, the outer layer of the epidermis is called the horny layer. This is responsible for maintaining hydration to your skin, and the horny layer actually requires constant regeneration from below, so it's constantly being refreshed. Which leads to number 3, active cell renewal. This is the replacing of skin cells, and it depends upon a couple of things. From below, it depends upon your blood, which shows the importance of having a healthy diet. From superficially, it's talking then about topically applied skincare. Now, it's important that the skincare that you apply to your skin is bioavailable to your cells, has vital nutrients, essential oils, peptides, which are part of proteins, the building blocks of proteins, and then your trace minerals. It's important that we pay attention to our sleep, exercise, and nutrition, but don't forget about your skin. So look into clean beauty, but be careful because not all clean beauty products are held to the high standard. In fact, many of them make a number of claims, but they've never been tested on humans. If you'd like to know the non-toxic paraben and petroleum-free marine botanical skincare produced according to pharmaceutical regulations, earning the most rigorous European organic certification by Cosmos, containing 10 fresh marine seaweed extracts, pure seawater, 15 essential oils, 10 botanical waters and extracts, no animal testing, 100% vegan, and clinically tested on humans with amazing results, feel free to PM me or email me at gowerhour@gmail.com. I'd love to share the product with you. Have a great day.